LordBuscus here, guys. Yes, guys, we are playing another episode, but we are doing Shotgun Squad. The shotgun. No, man. Okay, guys, so we're gonna play on this map, Compound. Mama knows the best. The best. Okay, guys, but with my crew, FaZe Kiddo, aka It's a Broadcaster, who's on Shoutout Sunday, if you did not know that. You know what? I'm gonna put, I'll link you guys the video probably to Shoutout Sunday. You guys will know. Just go on my channel. I don't have to link it to you. Here, ta-da! Shotgun Squad versus these guys. And Pistol Squad is gonna come next week, guys. We still are gonna do Pistol Squad. We are just on a very bad map when doing Pistol Squad. Oh, I knew these guys were coming. Hey guys, you guys there? Oh yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know that. Oh, you killed them. They killed him though. Okay, guys, let's go. Yes, guys, what you guys want me to upload? Like, holy crap, dude! My teammates, they did not help me. What a terrible team. But I hate it when you get a hit marker even though you hit them to the side. Alright, here you go. You get one kill from that. Oh, wait, help me take B, guys. Oh crap, juice.
Losing Charlie. We lost Charlie.
Okay, I need to reload, guys. Reload. Oh god, help! Oh!
We lost Alpha.
Ah, man. I did not get the full reload.
Enemy UAV above.
Oh, get Shrek. Oh, baby, got a triple over there. I'm gonna reload my gun. Bro, what the hell's happening? Sorry about that, guys. It's freaking FaZe Kills family act. But dude, this shotgun is going ham. Yeah, what, man?
Did you hear X-Pro say, once when I was in a party with X-Pro...
Oh, watch out, help me, guys, help me.
X-Pro said, you're really not good at pod. That's what X-Pro said.
Well, bro, I don't have time. We're playing on, what's it called? We're playing some CoD here, and we're not gonna, what's it called, guys? By the way, guys, I don't need any, what's it called, drama. I'm just gonna focus on this goddamn game. And let me cap the flag! Oh, yes, I got it! Potato Jesus, man. Get out of here. Oh, baby. Oh. Thank you. Now I got a bomb and run, guys. Let's do this. Oh, airspace too crowded. I forgot. Oh, that was an enemy's bomb and run. Right. Sometimes I get confused because the mini map is so full.
Friendly UAV above.
Hello. Where's my guy at? Oh yeah, right there.
This is funny. I'm just dying over and over. And Ali are just dying. I need so much right now. Oh my god. Oh, I had to pick up this insanity. I want the insanity so bad.
Here, I'm gonna use my Vulcan, so yeah, guys.
Friendly Vulcan above.
Score sticks for my shotgun class.
Securing
Really?
C.
Yeah, I don't. I'm just going off though right now.
Enemy taking Bravo.
Ah, killed him.
Oh.
We lost B.
I'm just spraying with this HBR-83 insanity. I had to.
Our UAV is online.
Here, help me take A, guys. Thank you. This is why I have teammates, fellas.
Losing Charlie.
Pro gamers gonna join the
A secure.
Gamer, oh please, bro.
We're
When was the last time he did not view any kind of war?
Bravo secure.
I'm using shotguns now, but I'm still going.
Taking Alpha.
There you go. That was 3 hit markers, but hey.
Enemy has A.
No, watch out.
Oh.
Enemy UAV
Oh crap, no, I used my UAV on accident. Holy crap, dude.
It's okay, it's
securing
okay.
Charlie.
There's those moments where you don't need your UAV, but why did you use it?
Oh, what?
Enemy UAV online. Securing A. Enemy taking B.
Bro, oh!
Enemy
Oh!
UAV online.
These guys are picking up our shotguns.
Enemy taking
know.
Bravo.
It's not bad.
C secure.
No!
Enemy taking B.
Going. Watch
No!
out.
I could have survived.
Halftime.
That was last kill.
Ah, okay,
Yeah, it
guys.
was.
Yeah, I got killed. See,
Hit marker.
I don't see. Oh, I see a little green thingamajig and a red thing.
Domination.
Here, guys. I'm leading the team, fellas, so make sure that the LordBuscus leads it. And by the way, guys, we are road to 75 subs, which is not that much, but hey, I need the subs. So if you guys could share this or like it or do whatever you do, be a good boy, and make sure the LordBuscus channel grows like weed.
Friendly bombing run incoming.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Enemy has Bravo. Securing Bravo.
We're gonna go take A, guys. My friend Allier, you better not screw this up, but hey.
Taking C.
And there you go, I got.
UAV in lane.
Here, I got myself a UAV, guys. My own
Alpha
UAV.
secure. Friendly UAV above.
They're all at me.
Requesting support. Losing A.
And they're going to A.
Here, help me take C. Guys, here, I got it, guys. Okay.
They got Warbird.
No, I got myself a bomb and run, fellas.
Enemy taking
Again.
That's Warbird.
A. We lost A.
Oh, like I care.
Paladin. Capping.
Securing A.
I killed him. Capping it.
Friendly bombing run clearing the way.
Okay, let's go.
Secure. Losing C.
Oh, holy crap, no!
Care package ordered. We lost C.
Oh, crap. I accidentally hurt myself.
Securing C.
Dude, what was my, what's it called? Care package?
Oh, there's a guy behind us.
Charlie secure.
Yeah, sadly, yes.
Requesting assistance.
There's just some random guy with the battle truck killing
Losing Charlie.
some random dude.
Securing Bravo.
Yes.
You're here, take B, let's get out of here!
Enemy taking Charlie. Losing
Run away!
UAV ready. Enemy taking
Here,
C.
reload.
As long as I'm not going.
Losing Bravo.
Me either, I'm not going
Friendly
negative.
UAV above. Friendly UAV above. We lost B.
No, butt buddies, why?
Paladin requesting support.
Okay, guys, I guess these butt buddies want an ass whooping.
Enemy has
Let's
Bravo.
go.
Oh, I forgot. No one wants my recon drill.
Let's go. Score streak right now. I want a bloodthirsty.
Securing
Shot.
Bravo.
Oh, he's dead. We're taking B for the win, fellas.
Taking
Bravo secure. We lost Alpha.
Bruh. I got stuck on someone's kneecap.
Recon
Well, I
drone
don't-
deployed. Friendly UAV above. Enemy taking B.
Bruh. Oh my god, I thought I got hit markers with this one. Get out of the way. I don't have time for your shenanigans.
Friendly Warbird in the air. Warbird assistance requested.
Oh, got assist, but hey. At least we ain't doing some weird
Enemy
shenanigans.
taking C.
You should have let them cap it, but whatever.
Let's go cap C.
Enemy taking A. We lost C.
Punched her. Direct.
We lost A.
Just using the sledgehammer.
Recon standing by.
I'm gonna use that.
No!
Lost
You could have kept alive, but this A is someone noob just happened.
Warbird assistance requested. Friendly UAV
No.
above.
Oh crap, someone's shooting at me. Oh, whatever.
Charlie secure. Losing C. Enemy care package incoming.
Oh, dude, that's the bad part. If you get a hit marker with a shotgun in the middle of a gunfight, you're most likely fucked. No, get away!
Securing Charlie.
Bro, I didn't even get the flag for myself, but hey.
Enemy taking C.
Okay, guys, let's go, let's go!
Losing C.
Wait, someone help me take A.
Our UAV is online.
You literally left the A flag by itself, for reals, Allier, for real. There.
I did not leave. I helped.
But you left it when I told you to go get the A flag. You were running. I saw you running away.
I just spawned in. That's why.
No, you ran. You didn't even go near it. You went to the other direction. What are you, a non-OBJ player?
Securing B.
Dude, these guys are gonna get pwned by our shotguns. Here, take the C flag before the game, at least for XP. There we go, guys. The shotgun squad never dies. Hashtag shotgun squad lives.
Squad, that was textbook.
Oh yeah!
I hope I got that final. I hope that was me with that final.
No, it's not you, Allier.
Yeah, it was me with that final.
Well, I won 23 and 18. Holy crap. 13 caps, boys. 13 caps. How many caps did you guys get? Allie?
I got 9 caps. Dude, face what?
Here, guys.
Okay, I got a supply drop.
I got a supply drop too, guys. What do we get? Like we get the SBO.
I got the ransacker.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Nah, that gun's not special. Wait, pick Biolab.
The ransacker's actually not that bad.
Mm-hmm. You go, girl, with that. Whoa, he has the bacon and eggs.
You got the bacon and eggs?
No, you retard. Look at this guy. Whenever I said I got the bacon and eggs. Oh, FaZe Kiddo was out. His connection.
Yeah, because remember he said, I'll be right back, guys, and then...
Yeah,
he didn't say anything, so.
He's not really coming back.
Yeah.
He's like, plot twist, he's not coming back. The most delicious thing a man could ever eat. A Snickers bar. It's just there. It was invented when a guy, he shit on a toilet and it looked like a Snickers bar. These mun. Where is my shotgun class? My shotty.
Domination.
Shotgun. The shotgun squad versus.
Our team has the insanity.
Bro, be quiet. I'm trying to tell him something.
Capture and defend the flags.
Hey.
Securing C. Secure.
Shotgun squad round 2 versus normal guys.
Oh, they're all inside that building. They're all
Really?
inside that building.
Oh god.
Well, come to me. Let me show you the glitch I discovered.
No, bro, we're not doing glitches. Bro, I'm recording.
No,
You think I would really?
Glitch.
Bro, you dumb. You seriously stupid. You think I would actually do a glitch?
I discovered it, so it's not.
God damn it, man! I hate it when you get a hit marker and then you gotta click it. It takes ages though. You can't win a gun.
Our UAV is online.
Oh!
Taking Bravo.
No,
System hack. Enemy HUDs have been lost. Our UAV is online. Enemy has Bravo.
No! My shotgun took ages to reload.
A secure.
Like, I think they should make it a little faster, like, when it comes to the reloads.
Enemy UAV above. We lost
Like, see, that's an unfair advantage right there. Like, you gotta do that, like, little click. Bro, shut up! There we go. There we go.
Our UAV is online.
No! I'm trying to take flags here.
Alpha secure.
Best spawn system in ages right here. Ladies and gentlemen, I represent you the best spawn in our decade.
Enemy
That's
taking
literally
Charlie.
gotta be the best spawn.
No, I'm pick up this Goliath. Ah.
Has
I think I really care if you pick up a goddamn Jeep.
Enemy UAV online.
Oh, baby!
Securing C.
Ah! God, I got blinded! Bro, this guy is good with the sniper.
Securing C.
I admit, this guy's
We've lost the
talented.
advantage. Securing B. Bravo secure.
Bro, this guy literally backed up to his death.
Friendly UAV above. We've taken control. C
This way.
secure. Losing Bravo. Friendly UAV
Gotta be.
above.
Oh!
We lost B.
Buddy, I gotta reload. Let's get out of here now.
Alpha. Bravo secure. We lost A. Friendly UAV above. Enemy taking Bravo. We lost Bravo.
Here, there we go. Oh,
UAV in range.
here.
Orbital care package on standby.
My ass.
Alpha secure.
Yeah, buddy, I got all the gear we need.
Enemy has Bravo.
Ugh, I couldn't beat out the ASM1, but hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it takes her with the clicks, man. What's up with this?
Losing Charlie.
Click this goddamn button.
System hack. Enemy hunter finished. We lost Charlie. They're hurting. Keep hitting them. Enemy has C.
Bruh. Dude, this is a one shot for so far. Did you guys see that? I'm not the one that witnesses bullshit.
Charlie.
Bangstick has even fight.
Enemy UAV above. Enemy taking Charlie.
Oh, even though I was stunned, ha, sucker. Thought you really could get me. The almighty Lord. Oh shit!
Friendly assault drone inbound.
I was about to poop my pants, bros. There you go. Get wrecked, Sonny. Bro, this is so freaky.
Buscus, you're inside my glitch room. No, stay for just like a little
Bro, I don't
second.
give a care.
Halftime.
Figure out this discovery.
Bro, glitches are for bitches. I don't need it. I can't believe you're trying to offer me a glitch. You know how
No,
savage that
it's
is?
my discovered glitch.
Well, I care. Like I really care. They're losing by 69 points.
Domination. Capture and defend the flags. Securing
By the way, guys, did ever guys read a book called The Giver?
A
If you
secure.
didn't, it gotta be something.
Enemy UAV
That book
above.
gotta be the one.
Friendly UAV
Isn't
above.
book in the whole
Enemy
deep blue
UAV
seas.
above. We've taken the advantage. Launching care package.
Crap sheet.
Mine. Why you took my stuff?
Securing Bravo.
And you can't get anything with your shit.
Enemy
Oh,
has Bravo.
mine. Now I'm gonna give away your position.
A.
Bro, like I really care.
UAV is online.
Wait, was that you that died?
Bombing run incoming.
I killed that guy.
UAV ready. Enemy warbird above.
How did I? Man, you guys saw that on camera. How? I was in my blue.
C secure. Our UAV is online. Friendly bombing run incoming. Securing Bravo.
No! Oh, I need to put a turret right there.
It just helps right now. No.
What he cares about your?
Just help for this spot.
Oh, baby!
Secure.
I ranked up. Oh,
B
baby.
secure.
Or nobody
Enemy
cares.
taking Alpha. Our UAV is online. Friendly assault drone inbound. We lost Alpha. Enemy has A. Friendly assault drone in action. Losing B.
Oh, I ranked up from someone who actually almost killed
Our
himself.
UAV is online.
Whoa!
Enemy has B.
Dudes, chill out with the grenades and shit. It's like you're giving me like
Enemy HUDs have been disabled.
poisonous potions, man. Like you know back then when they had frags, like in the medieval days, it was like potions. That was their frag. Oh crap! I better stay back. Stay.
Enemy taking C.
Did he have the insanity? Cause he would have beat me like
C.
a hoe.
Enemy has C. B secure.
Give me the flag, Jimmy.
C secure.
There you go. It's my duty to cap this flag,
Friendly
biatch.
UAV above. System hacked. Enemy HUDs have been disabled.
Oh, I see.
We lost Charlie.
Oh, come on, help.
Friendly UAV
Man.
above.
This is booty, bro.
Standing by. C secure.
Guys, like, literally, yeah, he's camping his ass off. Hey, you don't have any s'mores, asshole. Why you camping?
Our UAV is online. We lost C.
Hey, come back! I need you!
Orbital care package on standby. System hacked.
I was like, I need you, girl, in my life.
Friendly UAV above. Bombing run.
Oh! Oh, where's he at? No!
Losing Bravo.
Shit, get back here.
UAV above.
Bro, you're booty. Let me get the flag. Oh, I died too. What a coincidence. A coincidence, the way how people say it. It's funny. It makes me laugh. It makes my tummy hurt. My tummy hurts whenever I laugh.
Enemy taking A.
Lord.
Friendly assault drone in action. We lost A.
Bruh.
Enemy taking B.
This is an orbital care package troll. Bruh! This is booty, bruh! Keeps on give. Man!
Orbital care package on standby.
Oh, I got my.
Securing A.
Bro, what's so funny? Child?
We lost Bravo.
Don't mind my child, like, laughing, guys.
A secure. Warbird support requested.
Yeah, you heard me, Allier.
Clearing the way.
I
Enemy HUDs have been disabled.
I.
System hack. Enemy HUDs
Hey!
have been disabled.
Oh yeah, I forgot. They capped that
Hey,
flag.
Buscus, come to me. I need your help. Buscus, come to me. I need your help.
But, bro, you made me die! Damn you, Allier.
Alpha.
You asshole. Hey, asshole. I ain't gonna go near your fast. Hey.
We lost Bravo.
Dude, I can spread my glitch.
I swear your glitch.
Enemy taking B.
Allier, I'm not gonna help. I told you, glitches are for bitches.
Bombing run clearing the way.
That need.
Some people are interested in glitches.
Yeah, like you.
Losing
Oh, I just
Bravo.
discovered this glitch. I discovered this glitch, so like people just walk right under me.
Losing
It's a really
A.
helpful glitch.
It's a really easy glitch. If you're gonna do a glitch, at least be professional.
Enemy has
Not.
Bravo.
Oh, he got him.
Way to
She
get
got
out,
him.
Sentinel.
Oh, baby. Oh, look at me. I just came in like Superman. I might not play the objective that game. I gotta admit.
Man, I need to rank up to one more time.
I'm ranking up, like, through this. Yeah, let's play Chop Chop, guys. Chop Chop these nuts.
Oh! I do not get it.
Oh man, these guys are leaving. Baby, come back. Baby, baby, come back. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, just come back to on this lap. Oh, oh. Well, I'm picking Chop Chop.
And I'm picking Chop Shop. No, actually, I'm picking random.
And by the way, guys, the next Shotgun Squad episode, which is going to be in 2 weeks, we're going to play Call of Duty Ghosts Shotgun Squad.
Oh, okay, I'm in.
Yeah, you know that, Elliot.
Because I got Ghost installed.
Yeah, baby girl, you know what's up.
Dude, what shotgun are you going to use in Ghost?
Oh, you know. The Bulldog.
I'm going to use the Bulldog in that other shotgun. You know that other shotgun?
Yeah.
The 44 Magnum, I forgot what you call it.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Call of Duty Ghost is not that bad.
Yeah, it is. The reason why people call it bad because the maps were too big, low health, this and that.
No, if you go back
lag. No, listen, Elliot, listen up, boy. Lag, glitches, terrible hit marker detection, this and that. And it had what's it called? It didn't have it didn't have really good gun balance at first.
Dude,
and too much overpowered guns.
You return to CoD Ghost.
Oh, bro!
It looks like it's a real old game. It looks like a real old game.
Yeah, it looks like Tetris. I mean Tetris. Sorry guys if I said it wrong.
It actually looks like a game old CoD, cause like how they throw.
Dude, I have the old ass Tetris on my I have the soundtrack of Tetris, like in my phone. Bro, those XMGs I want so badly. Like, since the buff happened, I want those babies so badly in my hand. Like, can I just get them bread and butter?
Oh yeah, like the beer and pretzels and stuff.
Jesus, dude, put down the battle.
Warbird decloak sequence activated. Warbird support requested.
Maybe. Oh, he's dead. Boy, rocking into my bullets. Hit marker is a thing that happens too much with this tat. Yeah, you guys know what I mean, right? You gotta hit him or you don't hit him. Oh, how did I not die?
How did this guy just pass this enemy?
Bro, there's butt buddying me. I didn't know what to do. Butt buddies. By the way, guys, I call people that team up on me, like double or triple teammate, I call them butt buddies. Dude, these butt buddies are real when it comes to teaming up. Buddies for life. Bro, he didn't go after his crusty ass. In my eyes, I don't know where they were at. They're fucking in the middle of nowhere. Oh! Booty! Booty! Oh, I need to get out of here. I did not get out alive, guys, but I got out. That's all what matters. Oh!
Did you know the Attack 19 was supposed to be a remake of the Attack 12 from Ghost?
Yeah, I know, Allier. I know. I played Call of Duty before. I know the S12 was from Call of Duty.
No, it was called the Attack 12.
Oh, I'm not Ghost anymore. I'm BO2.
Enemy taking B. Friendly UAV above.
Oh my God, Becky, look at your butt.
Taking the lead.
I can't get that out of my head.
Our UAV is online.
Yeah.
Care package inbound.
Dude, I went to Pandora, and I swear, dude, Bro, get whip scope. Oh, get two, buddy.
Securing Bravo.
So I was in Pandora, and guess what?
Warbird assistance requested.
Dude, I was going to hip hop, and there was a Nicki Minaj song, but it was Anaconda.
Enemy has
Bruh, it was on. Dude, this kid, he was listening to Anaconda. I don't know why.
securing B.
Like, come on, dude. Do you have anything else to do than listen to Anaconda?
Warbird assistance
Like,
requested.
seriously?
Dude, did you hear about the new gear that was just released today?
Yeah, bro. Alien, I ain't no dude. I know what
No, it's
happens.
retarded because you can only get them in advanced supply drops.
Bro, like we care about the new gear. Advanced Workers' lifespan is gonna end someday. Well, Call of Duty Ghosts, barely anybody plays it.
There's only like 6,000 people.
Yeah, exactly. The highest can go is like 10.
Our UAV is online.
That's actually a little bit. 6,000 people.
Yeah, that's really small. Really.
It's like every single time I check,
Hey, secure.
thousands.
Yeah, exactly. There's never like 10 or 20,000. Like, you know what I mean. Oh, I got the final kill cam, guys. Oh, that turn on. Did you see that, dude?
Yeah.
Bruce?
Domination.
Oh, dude, I just need to get this flag and yeah, buddy.
Capture and defend the flag.
Give me the flag.
Friendly UAV above.
Oh,
Securing C.
we got our UAV,
UAV
fellas.
recon standing by.
I'm
C,
so
secure.
excited to have this
Recon drone
special.
inbound. We've taken the advantage.
Bro! Did he
Friendly
have.
UAV above.
Bro, I knew he had like low profile or something.
Get turned on. Oh, man.
This guy was using a Strider. Please stop using a recon drone.
Securing Bravo.
Oh, Lord.
Giving away our position to his team.
Yeah, giving away our positions. Like, we
UAV above.
actually
Let
have
me
time.
test out this breaking neck.
This recon drone is beautiful. I swear.
Well, the breaking neck is pretty solid.
Look at that. This is so. These noobs, these sweaty tryhards love you for battle. Oh!
This A is
This guy's corner camping, and then we got another guy. Come on, people. Let's be. Call of Duty is not going to be the same with you.
System hack. Enemy equipment has been disabled.
COD gods would not like that. See, camping.
Enemy taking Bravo.
Bro!
play classic on this game.
Dude, these guys, they're all using battles, dude.
Our
They're
UAV
probably
is
like the
online.
Tryhard squad.
Tryhard squad. Oh.
You remember when we said we were going to make a Tryhard squad?
No, we're never making a tryhard squad.
No, we said we were, but then we were just like...
No, I never planned it. Ali, stop making
No,
things
we
up.
were joking around.
Losing B.
I know, but we never planned anything about a tryhard.
Lost Bravo.
I never.
We planned the sniper squad.
Yeah, I mean, we did plan about that, but we're still thinking, should we replace pistol squad? Because if we're gonna do what's it called, sniper squad, then we gotta give up pistol squad or shotgun squad.
Down below in the subscription. Down below in the comments.
Here, how about this? Guys, tell us in the comments if we should give up shotgun squad or pistol squad to sniper
No,
squad.
we should stick with shotgun.
UAV above.
No, I'm asking the people, for the people, by the people. Okay. That killed me the PW. Damn. He's the only one that's actually using a pistol. That's so rare.
A is
Securing
AS1.
B.
And
That's
you,
how Endercrafter says AS1. He's like AS1.
bruh, this Strider, dude.
Securing B.
Like, dude, this is a Tryhard mod. You know why? Because you see a bunch of guys. If you guys see that video I made, 10 things Tryhard to do in CoD, this is one thing Tryhard to do. One, just one.
AS1. AS1 is AS1.
It's kind of annoying getting killed by the ace. You got, bro, this aim assist is booty.
UAV is online. Warbird assistance.
It literally aimed to his toes. It's like my guy, bro, shut up. It's like my guy. He was literally aiming down, and he was looking at his shoes, and he was like, "I got a question. What are those?" Like, really, man? He aimed at his shoes. And then we got here, Alia interrupted my conversation.
We're winning. We lost A.
Bro, this gotta be the worst aim for shock.
We lost Charlie. Enemy taking
Bruh.
B. Enemy has
Dude, this
Charlie.
guy, he's using an AS1 and a battle at the same time.
Friendly Warbird
There you
here.
go, haha.
Warbird assistance requested.
Ow, you guys do feel. Oh,
Paladin operational.
out of my way,
Securing
because
Alpha.
I'm real. Dude, it's like if someone actually does.
A secure. We lost B. Enemy has Bravo. UAV ready.
No, I died.
Paladin requesting support. Friendly UAV above. Paladin requesting assistance.
It's
I
so,
got it.
we won, yeah.
See, dude, I was like, let me just go in on them. See, I was just like, In the corner.
You still have your pistol squad ammo. Really, you lazy fuck? I
That was
did
the
bad
last
in that
game,
game.
right? That was the last game, right?
Yep, that's the last game, guys. We're gonna end the stream. This is gonna go on YouTube tomorrow. Like, sub, share, die of AIDS, I don't know what.
Oh, da.
Like, share, die, that's the Mono Media's gay shit, or fusion. You know what I do when I watch chick figures, whatever, their new thing? I dislike, report, and live. So yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Brit! Okay, guys. I ended it. He's getting okay, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Got that? No, not tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow on YouTube. And if you're a Twitch viewer, what you do, can you follow me and stay tuned for some more, guys? I'm gonna play Assassin's Creed on a Saturday. And Friday we're gonna do a Minecraft episode, which is Minecraft episode, bro. Who doesn't want those? And we're gonna go into the Nether. Yeah, guys, hope you guys stay tuned, and we are gonna tune in tomorrow. Peace.